All right, let's take a look at assignment 3.4. First thing you're going to do is create a new session in Pro Tools. You will make a 44.1K 32-bit float session. You will name it assignment 3.4-your name and hit create. Then you're going to save it wherever you save your sessions. And so mine is going to jump up here quickly. And from here, you're going to do a couple of things. First, let's go ahead and create your click track so that we know that we have it ready to go. Click track is up. If we hit Command equals, we can go to the mix window, and then from there we can make any adjustments we need to with the click, but most importantly at least turn it down because it tends to be pretty loud. You can hit Command and equal again to get us back, and then that part's ready to go. From here you can hit Command Shift N and it'll bring up your dialog, and you're going to select stereo, instrument track, and you can name it at this point synth or anything else that you'd like. From here, what you're going to do, From here, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you change your view over here to activate instrument and to activate inserts A through E. And we'll make sure that your MIDI input is set to all. And then we'll go ahead and click on the first insert and open up your instrument. Now you can use any instrument you like. This might be a good time for you to explore different instruments that you haven't used yet. And your last step to really complete this project is you're actually just going to record in freeform. You can use the grid, you can use bars and beats, you can adjust your tempo by double-clicking this little red icon here and tapping your tempo with the letter T. So if we tap, it's going to pick up our tempo. If we look closely, it's trying to average what that tempo is. Once we get a good tempo, we can hit OK. And then now we have our tempo set. And you can use any of the methods that you've seen today, whether you're using loop recording, under options, loop record, whether you'd like to take a single pass. If you want to open up the transport, you can do a couple things in the same way that we did earlier. You remember with loop recording on, we can't do MIDI merge. So if you do want to do your stuff using MIDI merge, you can just switch to quick punch and you can activate MIDI merge. You can also utilize the tools of wait for note so that the MIDI only records once you start playing your MIDI keyboard, or you can set up a count off if you happen to want one. Otherwise, you can begin recording by hitting Command and spacebar, and away you go with your recording for the session. And of course, the only real requirement for this particular project is to make sure that you actually have MIDI that you recorded inside of the session. And again, it gives you that flexibility of utilizing looping, adding multiple instruments, but really the requirement is just to get MIDI routed in and out. And then you're going to take a screenshot using Command, Shift, and 4. And that'll give you the crosshairs. And you'll just highlight. And you'll load that screenshot up to the MLP. And that's it.